Is it time to buy or sell Feng Technology Innovation ordinary share stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Feng Technology Innovation ordinary shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 26th of September, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of September, 2025, our system has rated Feng Technology Innovation ordinary shares as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a remarkable gain of 264.37% since we first recommended purchasing Feng Technology Innovation ordinary shares 11 days ago. This results in an average return of 24.03% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction as it could trend either way. Given below is a script for a YouTube video. Convert all numbers and currencies to words. Please refine it to be clearer and more engaging, ensuring that the main points and essence of the original content remain intact. Do not add any greetings unless one is present in the original script, and avoid using an overexcited tone. Our latest daily update for Feng Technology Innovation ordinary shares includes the headline: Significant movements in Feng Technology Innovation Company. Stock price on Friday fluctuated 66.67% between high and low. The Feng Technology Innovation Company stock price gained 51.26% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 26th of September, 2025, rising from $29.75 to $45. It has now experienced gains for 6 consecutive days. It is not common for stocks to achieve such a streak, and a decline for a day or two should be anticipated. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 66.67%, ranging from a low of $28.80 to a high of $48. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 264.37% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 283,000 shares, with a total of 630,000 shares traded, amounting to approximately $28,360,000. It is important to consider that declining volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $48, while the lowest was $4.63. Currently, the price is 6.25%, or $3, below the 52-week high of $48, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Feng Technology Innovation, trading as FOFO on the Nasdaq Capital Market, priced its initial public offering at $4 per share for 1,375,000 ordinary shares. With the exercise of the full underwriter's over-allotment, an additional 206,250 shares were sold, bringing gross proceeds to approximately $6,330,000. The Nasdaq listing and the over-allotment exercise indicate strong confidence from underwriters and initial market demand, which can support early trading while reducing immediate post-IPO downward pressure. In the short term, anticipate increased volatility as the new float adjusts to market supply and investor sentiment. The over-allotment generally helps to stabilize pricing. However, the modest size of the capital raise limits the extent to which investor enthusiasm can influence the stock. Over the longer term, FOFO share performance will depend on its capacity to scale revenue and margins in corporate management consulting and asset management, convert listing visibility into client wins, and effectively manage capital needs. With $6,300,000 as a limited war chest, future financing, execution, and macro or regulatory risks will significantly impact sustained upside or downside. The following signals have been identified for Hang Feng Technology Innovation ordinary shares. The stock of Hang Feng Technology Innovation Company holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $20.59 and $17.32. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 323.73%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, trading volume declined during the last trading session, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock warrants close monitoring. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Pivots. A buy signal was indicated 7 days ago. The short-term moving average also showed a buy signal 7 days ago. Likewise, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 7 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, too, showed a buy signal 7 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Hang Feng Technology Innovation ordinary shares. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock could experience significant declines in the coming days. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is regarded as very low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $19.20 between its high and low, representing a movement of 66.67%. Throughout the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 44.33%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Hang Feng Technology Innovation ordinary shares. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. Additionally, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $43.83, reflecting a decrease of 2.6%. This stock experiences very low daily movements, which indicates a low level of risk. However, the 14-day relative strength index stands at 95, significantly increasing the risk. A buy signal has been indicated from a pivot bottom that was established 6 days ago. Is Hang Feng Technology Innovation ordinary share stock a good buy? Hang Feng Technology Innovation Company holds several positive signals. However, these indicators do not provide sufficient justification for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider this stock as a hold or accumulation while waiting for further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 29th of September, we expect Hang Feng Technology Innovation ordinary shares to open lower by $4.40, starting at a price of $40.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.